Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and if you don't, then, you know, a little bit of muck on the stove. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so, I got one that was found in the Philippines by a reader, but it's from Taiwan. Spicy beef. Noodle with spicy beef. There's broth going on too. So, I got the water boiling. This is a bowl. I have the bowl. And look at the bowl. Look at that. Here you go, dude, who really likes to be able to see everything, because here is the excitement. Alright. And this is going to go for 3 minutes. Right? Let me double check that. Don't want to get in any hot water, as it were. Yep, 3 minutes. So, put this on there too. It's really not going to make a heck of a lot of difference, because it's hot water. Not like a little hot, it's hot. Anyways, for me, it's Monday, and on Monday, it's a day, and like any other day. Although today was kind of nice. Put Miles on the bus, and they had to wait for another kid, which is pretty common. But, waited and waved at him and stuff through the window, and I grabbed a couple pictures of him when the bus was taken out, and he was giving me a big smile, and I like that, because usually I'm getting a scowl. I don't know where that's coming from. Maybe it's like a, don't even think you're getting back on this bus to take me off of here, because I'm out of here, dude. I am like so out of here. But no, he was happy, and I like that. So I would like to see my kid happy. Went up to Canada this weekend. Man, peanut butter's cheap up there. You can get 4.5 pounds of Kraft Crunchy peanut butter for, after the exchange rate, $6.93. Bing! I'll show you. This is not only my noodle cabinet. Let's make sure you can see what I'm doing. And not only my noodle cabinet, but see? Peanut butter. Look at that. It's freaking huge. Is my camera like ultra dirty, or is that steam coming off the bowl? Oh, there's steam coming at you. Huh. I think. Well, I hope not. That would be unhelpful to do this. Yeah. But yeah, look at that. Boom. 2 kilograms. Boom. I mean, it's a freaking hefty thing of peanut butter. We already used some. I make oatmeal and peanut butter for my little children every single day. Yeah. They like that. Oatmeal and peanut butter, oatmeal and peanut butter, oatmeal and peanut butter. It's actually the song. Alright, so I'm going to back you up a little bit. Take this off of here. Grab the pot. Noodles in pot, hopefully not burning self. So far so good. Good to go. The reason I'm doing this is because the liquid, the little sauce, is kind of stuck in here, and it's just easier to Put a little bit of liquid in. Give it a stir, swizzle, as it were. I like to swizzle. I don't use a stick for my swizzle. See? Swizzle, swizzle. Do they make those anymore? Is there even such... Is that like dead technology, the swizzle stick? God, tell me it isn't. Or is it just like I'm never in an area where swizzle sticks are located? I'll have to find out about that. If you know, please comment below. I don't know. I'm not the only one who wants to know this information. And then here's the meat and stuff. Notice it's very thick in this one. I'm kind of surprised at that. Let's put the thick meat in here. Oh, it's thick meat time again. And we'll swizzle that as well. Looky there. Alright. Now, for all of you, let's enjoy watching me just stir. So my initial thoughts on this has that smell. And that smell is almost like, it smells kind of coffee-like. It's a big chunk of beef, though. Look at that. Herk of beef. What I will do is what I was doing when I was doing the TTL videos. Kind of like sift through, grab a couple, put them in something else, and then I can make them look nicer in the garnish phase. My phone agrees with me. Let's give the broth a try. That's good. Somebody said, you need to eat that whole bowl of noodles pronto. Be like, okay. You got it. I won't put up a fight. If I had just eaten a whole bowl of noodles, I'd be like, no. Sorry, I can't. No can do. And no, please don't put it in the fridge. That's one thing that really gets me, is the concept of putting a bowl of instant noodles in the fridge for later. It's only allowed if you're trying to make like ramen burgers, because that helps with setting up the stuff. That are a collection of beef paraphernalia. I think it is. At least our large beef paraphernalia. Oh, there's one. That's the only problem with the beef. It hides. It does not float. Which I kind of am surprised about, but that's good. Okay, and there's another little piece right there. Little swizzle. Sweet little swizzle, babe. I need to try the noodle, which I don't have a lot of extreme hope. I mean, I have hope, but I don't have a lot of... Let me say I won't be surprised if it's really not wowing me. But you never know. Yeah. Bowl. You know, I have to try the beef too. A little piece of beef. Bowl. Broth. Noodle. Mung bean sprout. Spring onion. Beef. And I'm leaving it at that because I think that pretty much tells the whole story of the spicy beef right there, don't you? I mean, it's kind of the whole deal. So yeah. And with that, this has been Hans, the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If there is something you would love to see me cook up, let me know. I'll do it. I'll do it for you. And yeah. If you like this video, please click like. If you could subscribe, that'd be great, because it seems like not many people are subscribing as they were for a little while there. It's gone down to like maybe 4 new subs a day from 12 to 20. And it's kind of like, oh, well, that sucks, you know. So if you can, that'd be great. If you absolutely can't, it's all right too. All right, this has been Hans. Have a good one. Bye.